Check this out. So if you're a matcha liker like me or lover, this is it. This is a wisp, but it's not just for matcha. I actually use it for coffee, ingredients, if I want to mix anything. And I always keep it in the kitchen. It's the most useful item I have in my kitchen because it's cordless, all right? And that's what I was always looking for. Now, one of the things I like about it, this is not rechargeable. It's a dual battery, all right? I had a chargeable one, but of course, people were using it off and on, and it was never charged, and so forth. So today, I got this one, and this one comes with its own little, if you guys can see, a little stand. Now, out of the box, I recommend you guys clean it, all right? Wash it and clean it. And look at this. Just hold on the button. There's no off and on button. You hold it down as much as you want to wisp, and you want to froth either your coffee or your latte or your matcha. This is perfect. So we are going to use this. That's what I got it for. Now the material itself is a little soft. It's more like a silicone material. The stand is stainless steel, so I would recommend you put a little plate underneath, so if you drip anything, it's going to capture in it. And maybe a napkin too. You could do a napkin. It's even easier. So let's put it to use. Enough talking. Let's drink. We're going to test it out in a water cup, all right? Just to see the... Look at that. Just so you can see how it whips the whole thing. This is just water.
I'll do a little bit on there.
Why spend the money in other places when you could happily do it at home? Look at this beautiful strawberry mixture of matcha. Perfect for the summer. If you want to add ice, you can do that, optional. With the Swiss, it was as simple as just doing it, one scoop on it. It's mixing it up and enjoying it at home. So hope you guys enjoy the video.